said to me, my mother mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. Then she stepped away from me, and this did she say, oh, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. She stepped away from me, and she went through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then she went homeward with one star awake, as the swan in the evening moves over the lake. I dreamt it last night, that my dead love came in. So softly she came, that her feet made no din. She came close beside me, and this did she say,